Hey guys, Gracie here. Today I'm going to show you how to plant fruit in containers. So what could be better than some tasty and refreshing fruit on a hot summer day? With this nice weather we've had here in Michigan, I have been thinking about how I wanted to grow my own fruit at home. And I actually didn't even know that you could grow fruit in containers. So I talked with the experts at English Gardens and I got everything I need to grow my own fruit. So I picked out some strawberries, which are a must-have, so we'll plant those. And then also a blueberry plant and a raspberry plant. And I got all the supplies I need to get started, so let's get to work. So first and foremost, choosing a container. Now, really any container will work for these, but I picked out some ceramic options here. I really loved the selection of styles and colors that English Gardens had. So I chose this white pot for my strawberries. I think they'll really pop in there. And then for soil, you're gonna wanna use Espoma organic soil or Proven Winners planting soil is another great option. So I have my pot filled here. And before we get planting, go ahead and add some Berried-Tone Starter Plus plant food. This is really good to add at the beginning into the soil mixed in right before planting these guys. All right, so we're adding the Berried-Tone in and just kind of mix it around with your hand in there. And I'm gonna pop these guys out. Place them right in there and fill in the soil around them. And now another good note to remember is for fruit plants, if you're planting a few like this, keep the variety the same. They don't really like to mix, so that's why I'm doing 3 of the pink strawberry kind here. And that is looking lovely. So let's move on to the next ones. Okay, so another great method for planting fruit in containers is to use a grower's pot, which I'm gonna do for my blueberry and raspberry plants. Now, grower's pots are great because you can simply place this directly inside your decorative container to enjoy during the spring and summer. And then at the end of the season, you can take the whole grower's pot out with the plant in it and bury it into the ground to protect the roots. And then at the end of that season, bring it back out and place in your container and enjoy again. So it's a really great way to plant things simply and also enjoy your plants, your fruit plants, season after season. All right, so let's get started. So I have my grower's pots in each of these, and I have a base level of soil already in here. And you can also add in your Berried-Tone starter food again in here, which I've done as well. So sprinkle that in, mix it around. All right, so here we have got the Bushel and Berry Raspberry Shortcake plant. And you're just gonna kind of, these are a little bit tricky to loosen up, but once you get it, take that and place it right in your soil, mix it around. Perfect. And then I'm gonna add in a little extra soil just around there. Perfect. Okay, and next up I have got, again, the Bushel and Berry Silver Dollar Blueberry. So this is a nice big plant. And I've got these loosened up a little bit. Simply place right in there. And fill in with some extra soil if needed. Perfect. Looking good. So now that we have everything planted, I wanted to share a few care tips that I learned from the experts at English Gardens. So fruit in containers need to be regularly watered and regularly fertilized. This is really important. So you can use a fertilizer like Espoma Organic Berry-Tone throughout the season. And another important tip, these guys need to live in an area that receives full sun all day. That's super important. They will not thrive in a place that's partly sunny, partly shady. You gotta have the full sun. And one last tip too, deer are attracted to fruit. So if you have a yard or garden where you got those guys browsing around, try to keep these containers out of the way. And English Gardens also has a great variety of other fruit plants too. So these Chef Jeff strawberry plants are another great option. And you can go with the hanging basket version too if you want to keep your plant off the ground and away from the critters. So stop into any English Garden store today to get started on your fruit planting or any of your other gardening projects. And for products used in this video, check out the description below. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.